Hey, what's up guys, Jason here for TechnoBok Unboxings, and today I'm bringing you a look at this, the Instax Mini Printer. Well, this isn't the Instax Mini Printer, in fact it's a nifty bag. It's a bag to carry it, and although it looks cool, I think we should throw it aside now. What we'd rather get is a look at what comes inside the bag, a look at something which is nifty, funky, and ultra millennial cool. Think of it as a Polaroid style printing, but that's done with 21st century social media in mind. So if we jump straight inside, you take a look at this. Comes in an array of colors, this brilliant looking denim blue, a pink, and a more ivory kind of white color, and it's a very cool Instax Mini Printer. It's got rounded edges, so it fits easily into a jacket pocket or into the nifty backpack, and it's a simple design. It says Instax on it. If I hold this in, that is the power button. You can see it glowing in an array of colors. On the side here, there's a little micro USB charge port, and there's a button at the back here, which if I pop it open, it lets you load the actual print film, and the top is the printer itself. Talking of the film, they come in these packs here. It's little sheets of 10. It's mini Fujifilm packs. I've got a bunch of them here to show you, and they're pretty inexpensive, as is the whole device. A little thing like this costs around $100, or in South Africa here, around 2,000 odd rand, and the refill packs come in at less than $1 a print. So you find that you're able to transfer all the best media from your smartphone, your device, whether it be iOS or Android, straight to the printer within 12 seconds thanks to a Bluetooth connection and its lithium-ion battery. You can take it with you, perfect for travels, and print the best shot. From your usual travel to the best locations, spots, and wherever you take your smartphone with you, capturing memories is easy. Then it comes to actually using the Instax, printing, getting the job done. So it's a nifty small device here, compact, stylish, and easy to use. First thing is to grab one of these packs. It's the Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film, 10 sheets per pack. Take one of those out, and simply opening the pack lets you reveal this. This is the actual cartridge which goes within the camera. It's got a little mark on top, so it tells you how to load it, and simple enough, you open the back of your Instax camera. You can see the little mark there, lines up with the yellow mark up top here. You load it in there, close it, it picks it up, and there comes your first print. Now this is obviously the little beginning of the film, so this we can toss aside, and we can start then by simply switching it on and enjoying what the Instax Mini Printer is all about. Using the application is simple. Either on iOS or Android you download this. It's Instax Mini Link by Fujifilm. It opens up the application itself, quickly finds the printer, which pairing takes seconds thanks to Bluetooth, and then you can take your favorite print and simply either create a collage, gallery, edit the photo, or send it to your print mode. So for example here, I've got all my gallery, my images. Here's one which I took just yesterday out on a beautiful hiking trail in Cape Town. I press print, it's transferring, shoots up there, and before we know it, the Instax is connecting, and here comes the print itself. And this really is a cool, modern and millennial way to enjoy Polaroid style photography. There comes the actual print straight out, appears first blank, but within a short amount of time, you'll start to see it appearing. What's great about these little printers, it's a nifty size, can either be used to put into a wallet, for example, a great little pick memory for someone to carry around, given to friends on that trip out, or simply put onto a fridge magnet. It's the ultimate cool little gift idea, or something to keep your memories alive. Here was a picture I took of Lion's Head in Cape Town. You can see the detail, the trees below, the beautiful Lion's Head, the skyline above. And once it all settles and comes to life, this is a really cool way to share and enjoy those images of a hiking trip. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, this has been a quick look at some of the memories which I've captured and created using the Instax Mini Printer. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.